Becoming a data scientist requires a mix of statistics, programming, and domain expertise. Given your strong background in statistics, focus on 1. Programming skills * learn Python *, Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, and SQL * for data manipulation and analysis. 2. Machine learning * master supervised, regression, classification, and unsupervised learning, clustering, PCA, along with model evaluation techniques. 3. Data visualization and storytelling * use Matplotlib, Seaborn, Tableau * and Power BI to present insights effectively. 4. Hands-on projects * analyze real-world datasets, e.g., Kaggle, and apply machine learning to your research area. 5. Big data and cloud, optional, * learn Spark, AWS, or Google Cloud * for large-scale data processing. 6. Portfolio and networking * publish projects on GitHub * write blog posts, and engage with the data science community. 7. Career or research applications * apply for data science roles in industries like healthcare, finance, or manufacturing, or integrate machine learning into academic research. With your statistical expertise, focusing on programming and real-world applications will ensure a smooth transition into data science.